Today we're going to be preparing a spicy peach glazed salmon with roasted rosemary, red potatoes, and we're going to finish that with beurre blanc sauce and asparagus. Let's get started. Featuring item number 53350, which is an 8-ounce Farro Island Salmon fillet from Highliner. And item number 55065, which is a spicy peach glaze from Ken's. There you have it, folks, a spicy peach glazed salmon with roasted rosemary, red potatoes, finished with beurre blanc sauce. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.